Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Venu 4 and I'm gonna show you how to change the straps on this watch. So if you want to change the straps on your watch, first you will need to remove the old ones. And to do it, grab your watch, flip it around, and on the back of the watch you will see that on each strap you have this lever you can pull on, basically. And you pull it towards the middle of the strap, and once you pull on it, it will basically let you to take out or remove the strap from the watch. Sometimes the tension on these is quite high and you need to struggle a bit with it. But once you pull on it, it will let you to pull out the strap, like that. Same for the other side. Like this, and take out the strap. And this mechanism is quite simple, and how it works is, basically you have pins on each side of the strap, and on the side of the lever, if you pull on the lever, it basically retracts this pin. And once the pin retracts, it allows you to basically take out the strap. I don't know if I can show you, yeah, but it retracts a bit. And basically we have the pins locked in the holes on the watch on each side, and once you pull that lever, it retracts the pin, which basically releases the pin from this hole on the watch, which allows you to take out the strap. And here we have the straps and our watch. And let's say you have a new strap and you want to put it on. You grab the watch, you grab the strap, you take the side opposite of the lever, so this one, this side, you insert it into a hole on the watch. And once you insert the one side, like this, you then pull on the lever to retract the pin, align it with the hole on the other side, release it, it will click in, and it will hold. Same for this one. So take the side opposite of the lever, insert it on the hole in the watch, into hole on the watch, my bad. Then retract the pin on this side, align it, release it, and once it clicks in, it will hold. Quite simple and quite effective. And that's how you change the straps on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.